Good morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus Ace 3 and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, open your phone the other, then tap on more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and select settings. Here you will notice block numbers, and now you can either block all unknown colors if you want to, or you can add some number manually by yourself just by tapping on add a number provided here. Tap on block, and that's it. From now on, this number is blocked. Then whenever you want to remove this number from your blacklist, tap on cross icon and select unblock. Then you can also block some particular contact. Just choose the contact that you want to block. Now mark more icon and select block numbers. Tap on block, and that's it. Okay, so actually I am not able to do it because I do not have my SIM card included. Once you've got it, this is the way you can block particular contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.